Hello plant lovers, I am Nishat Suba from Bangladesh and welcome to Plantology. Today I will share a potting mix recipe that you can use to grow different varieties of aloe plants. This is a Aloe Juvenna, which is also known as Tiger Tooth Aloe, which is shrinking and yellowing because the potting mix on which it is sitting right now dries out quickly, and aloe plants require a potting mix that will hold quite a bit of moisture. And also this plant producing lots of baby pups, so yes, it means it also needs more space to grow. So today I'm going to repot this plant on this 6 inches pot, and let me show you the potting mix recipe. Aloes require quite a bit of moist soil, but also the soil should be well draining. So I have added 1 part garden soil or loam soil, 1 part compost, 1 part coco peat. Now if your area is highly humid, then add half part of the coco peat because coco peat holds more moisture than the other organic ingredients. Then added 1 part charcoal. Then adding 1 part pumice. You can use perlite instead of pumice. And then add 1 part fine sand, but I do not have sand in my stock at this moment, so I'm adding another part of pumice. Then mix them all. Now it is not compulsory to use the ingredients that I have used to prepare the potting mix. I followed a basic ratio. I have used 3 types of organic substances and 3 types of inorganic substances. Though I have added another part of pumice instead of sand, but technically 3 types of inorganic or gritty substances are added. I mixed organic and inorganic ingredients in a 1:1 ratio. So 1 part we will take organic components and another part will be inorganic components. Now you can prepare the soil by adding 1 part soil and 1 part sand, but it is better to use several structural ingredients that can provide the appropriate environment for the aloe plants. Then I gently repotted the plant. I have taken a 6 inches pot that has drainage holes at the bottom. Then filling half of the pot with the potting mix. Then gently transplanting the plants. This aloe plant has lots of baby pups, and when it will grow, the plant will look very structural. After potting up, I'm going to water thoroughly. Now I will keep the plant in a bright shade place and will water again when the upper 3 to 4 inches of the soil will feel dry. Aloes grow well in part sun area or the area that receives 3 to 4 hours of direct sun. Now I need to keep my plants well watered to thicken up these shrinked leaves. Aloe plants do not like uneven watering. They like to dry out between watering, but do not like underwatered situation. So if you want to keep your aloe plants happy, maintain a constant watering schedule. So that's all. Hope this video will help you. If I missed any point or if you have any suggestion, let me know in the comment section. If you're interested in plants and gardening, then feel free to subscribe with the bell. Also inviting you to follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.